Alright, we're going to clean and I've got a new toy to play with. Ignore that, I spilt lolly down me. It happens. I've got this mop that's got a lot of things. It's got a brush attachment, a sponge attachment, lock and mop adjustment, lock and handle adjustment, microfiber attachment, and 4 stainless steel handles. I got this with my bathroom in mind because my tiles go all the way up there and I don't. It's good for bathrooms, floors, tiles and the corners, so let's give her a whirl. And yes, even if I stand in my bath, I still can't reach the fucking top. So here's all the different heads that come with it. Lovely. Oh wait, and this one. Oh, cool. Oh, that's really strong. That's hard. Oh, I like that. Let's just screw these bits together, nice and easy like that. Put that one on. This is like Velcro. If I'm going to go for this side to give the tiles a good scrub, so I imagine that just goes on and... Oh, that is... Cool, that's on tight. I like that. Right. It's not very straight. That'll do. Just spray me. Spraying the tiles. What I'm looking for here is minimal effort to actually reach the corners. So let's see, shall we? Let's see if it reaches. Oh my God! It's actually fun. Look at that! Ignore the cobwebs. Oh my God! Oh, look how it's getting behind the shower. Oh, look at that. Look at my tiles. Look at them. They look beautiful, don't they? Wow. I ain't got enough time to film, but I'm going to use the other one and I'm going to do my floors. Well, that is bloody handy. Them little late night scrolling on TikTok and you see something to buy, sometimes they're a win.